My name is Happy Cowhams. I'm doing machine operating, that's excavator. No, I've acquired a lot, maybe just to mention a few. Safety and how to operate an excavator, what to do when I go to the site out there, just a lot of things. It started a way back when I used to work for another company called Condrill. Then I started developing interesting machines, then I decided to pick up the challenge. I wouldn't say maybe we faced so many challenges. Maybe time was just limited for us, but at least everything went just well and we enjoyed it. We acquired what we wanted. On that, I would say maybe some equipment, we need some more machines because the demand is high and a lot of people are trying to push to get space. So maybe if at all we can extend this project and bring a lot of machines, maybe that will help. Wow, definitely is to go out there, hunt for a job, maybe if possible get one. I would say these days you don't just sit at home and do nothing. Try to pick up the challenge, be courageous, and do what you want to do the most, then you'll make it in life.